Welcome to Jibara Podcast, where we explore the latest in finance, technology, and the future of money. I'm Jane, and I'm thrilled to be joined today by Dr. Sabih Jibara, a communications and networking expert with a focus on financial technologies and the transformative potential of blockchain. Dr. Jibara, welcome.
Thank you, Jane. It's great to be here. I am excited to dive into today's topic.
Dr. Jibara, let's start with some context. Uphold has been positioning itself as a secure and user-friendly Web3 platform to rival both traditional banks and crypto exchanges. Could you break down what's at the core of this approach?
Certainly, Jane. Uphold is essentially a hybrid platform that aims to integrate the flexibility of digital assets with the security features and user protections typically associated with traditional banking. They're targeting users who are familiar with crypto but are also seeking some of the stability they're used to from more traditional financial services.
Interesting. And they're doing this by providing features like FDIC-insured accounts and multi-signature vaults, correct?
Exactly. Uphold combines crypto and traditional financial safeguards by offering FDIC insurance for some accounts, which can be quite reassuring. Their multi-signature vault technology, where multiple parties need to authorize a transaction, also adds a layer of security that appeals to risk-conscious users.
Let's talk about Uphold's crypto debit card. This feature is quite fascinating. Users can make purchases with crypto through a dedicated debit card, almost like using a traditional bank card. How does this benefit users?
The debit card is a big step because it bridges crypto assets with day-to-day spending. For instance, someone could hold Bitcoin or Ethereum but spend it directly without needing to convert it to fiat first. This simplifies access to funds and aligns with the vision of crypto as a fully integrated financial tool.
So, for those wary of fiat currency or even government crackdowns on crypto, Uphold is providing alternatives that offer greater financial freedom.
Precisely, Uphold is tapping into the demand for financial autonomy, which is very appealing to people who want to manage their assets independently or hedge against potential currency volatility.
Let's dig into security. You mentioned FDIC insurance and multi-signature vaults, but how does Uphold stand out from other platforms in terms of transparency and security?
Uphold's emphasis on security is multifaceted. Beyond the multi-signature vaults, their model allows users to manage their assets across multiple exchanges from a single interface, adding transparency to the process. And by openly showing their asset reserves, they build trust with users who know that Uphold is accountable.
That's really forward-thinking. So, transparency here also translates to user empowerment.
Exactly. By being transparent about their holdings and practices, Uphold essentially invites users to make informed choices. This accountability is refreshing and helps Uphold differentiate itself in a crowded market.
Now, where does Uphold fit in with the broader Web3 ecosystem? With Web3 being all about decentralization, how does Uphold align or even challenge traditional financial structures?
Uphold is certainly capitalizing on Web3's principles by prioritizing decentralized asset control, security, and an ecosystem where users can manage crypto and fiat side by side. The goal isn't just to compete with banks or exchanges, but to create a new type of financial institution that's adaptable to future Web3 innovations.
So it's more than just a platform. It's almost like they're creating a future-proof banking model.
Yes, they're paving the way for a flexible, resilient system that might be better suited for the realities of digital assets. It's about resilience against market shifts and a trust-based approach that resonates well with those cautious of traditional institutions.
Dr. Jibara, thank you so much for this insightful discussion. It's clear that Uphold is more than just another financial platform. It's carving out a niche that combines the best of crypto and traditional banking.
Thank you, Jane. It's been a pleasure discussing these exciting advancements with you.
And thank you to our listeners. Be sure to tune in next time to Jibara Podcast as we continue to explore the future of finance, technology, and the limitless possibilities of Web3.